Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Here you can see our mini 4-axis CNC machine. Also, you can there are 3-axis and 5-axis available. This type compared with this one, this is vertical, and this one is you can call it horizontal because this is the y-axis and the spindle is on the horizontal direction, and this one, the spindle here, the vertical direction. This mini desktop CNC machine is quite suitable for PCB drilling and PCB machining, also for other plastics or wooden. Here you can see the screw is both screw, both on X, Y, and the Z axis is both screw, and the linear reel is T-wing and the THQ. So yeah, this motor, this CNC machine use a better motion control unit. I mean the linear modules compared with other CNC machines you can find from China. You can find all this, both this 3, 4, and 5 axis for PCB machining CNC machine on RobotDigg. This one is an order from USA, yeah, and also this one, the horizontal, which is deskit. We call it deskit 5-axis CNC machine. There are many orders recently, and which can be shipped before. I mean, the delivery could be before Christmas. Yeah. This one, the software is match 3. Yeah, you can control this machine. If you're familiar with match 3 or match 4, so it's a very simple CNC machine. This one use a special USB controller, so the software is different from this one, but if you are familiar with the power mill and post a fuse 360, and you can have this one for your project.